Hello everybody, this is Adrian for WapCar.my here to help you find your next perfect car. In today's video, I'm going to bring you guys on a closer look and show you what's good with this all-new Honda City Hatchback. The City Hatchback has now taken over the mantle from the Honda Jazz as Honda Malaysia's sole hatchback offering in Malaysia, and it has big shoes to fill because the Jazz was Malaysia's favorite non-national hatchback. First up, there are 4 variants of the City Hatchback available, starting from S, E, V and RS. And just like the City sedan, there are 2 engine options available, the 1.5-litre i-VTEC petrol as well as the 1.5-litre e-HEV i-MMD hybrid system. The volume seller will most definitely be the 1.5-litre i-VTEC petrol engine because buyers are more comfortable with the tried and tested formula of a natural aspirated 4-cylinder engine and CVT automatic. It's also the most powerful engine among its peers at 120 horsepower and 145 Nm of torque. But I highly recommend you guys try out this phenomenal i-MMD system that I have sampled in the City RS sedan. How it works is that below 80 km per hour, it runs on full electric EV drive, but between 80 to 120 km per hour, that's where the petrol engine kicks in to give direct drive to the wheels because that is when the combustion engine is at its maximum efficiency. The result is exceptional fuel economy and electrifying performance of 253 Nm of torque. To give you guys some context, when we tested the City Sedan RS, based on a WapCar fuel consumption and 0 to 100 test, the City Sedan RS returned 5.2 litres per 100 km, the most fuel efficient car that we've ever tested on WapCar, and 10.2 seconds, the fastest B-segment sedan that we've tested. On the exterior front, the City Hatchback's design is identical looking to the City Sedan. You get quite a smart front, and on the hatchback, the rear is a far departure compared to the Jazz, so you get quite a fresh look. On lower variants of the City Hatchback, you get smaller 15-inch alloys, halogen projector headlamps, but the RS is where the money's at. First up, you get a more aggressive RS body kit as denoted by the gloss black front grille, honeycomb inserts, black side mirror caps, as well as a more aggressive front fog lamp housings. You also get larger 16-inch alloys as well as carbon fiber-ish finish on the lower front lip and rear diffuser. To tell whether this is a genuine RS or just a tacked-on body kit, look out for the blue hue on the Honda emblem that denotes the electrified powertrain. But the best way to tell that this is a genuine RS are the rear disc brakes, which are exclusive to the range-topping RS model. Boot space in the City Hatchback is rated at 289 litres. Extremely practical because you're able to fit in a large-sized suitcase without breaking a sweat. There's also space for kind of small luggages. If you ever need more space, you can always fold the rear seats down. But most importantly, the City Hatchback retains the Honda Jazz's brilliant Ultra Seats configuration, which makes it easier to load in longer, taller items. Stepping inside the cabin of the City Hatchback, and you find that it's taken lock, stock, barrel from the City Sedan, and that's no bad thing because it's a very well-appointed cabin. Features include a multifunctional steering wheel with shift pedals, 7-inch TFT meter display, 8-inch display audio that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, connected to 8 speakers, Honda Lane Watch, electric parking brake with auto hold, as well as ultra suede seats. Cabin storage are plenty. You're able to fit a lot of stuff around the center console, and the side door bins fit a large-sized water bottle. To differentiate between the cabin of a City Hatchback and sedan, you have to look out for the gloss black trims surrounding the air vents and steering wheel. On the City Sedan, there are silver as well as red inserts around the side bolsters. Seated in the back seats of the City Hatchback, and you'll find that it is as spacious as the sedan variant because both models has the same wheelbase of 2,600mm. I have the front seat adjusted to my usual driving position and I'm 175 cm tall. I have nearly 4 tennis balls worth of knee room. Space in the footwell, well, it's a Honda, no complaints. And amenities in here include 2 back pockets, rear air vents, 2 power sockets, and the side door bins fits a large-sized water bottle. There you have it guys, the all-new Honda City Hatchback RS variant. Have you guys placed a booking on one? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.